It is 2025 SEMA. I'm here at the Edelbrock booth. Did I say that right? I don't say it right because I can't talk.
Look at that. Boom. Man.
You want to go 330 plus mile an hour, you do it with a comp camshaft. That's all
right.
I can tell you.
All Russell hoses, all the AN fittings, so you know everything's right. You don't got to worry about leaks with all that. Super easy to install.
One of the reasons I use a high quality part like the Edelbrock parts that I put on my different engines.
I'm gonna follow Edelbrock when I get home.
Yeah. Maybe in the next minute or
Yeah.
I'm excited about this new booth design. It's easy to flow through, and the relationships is what it's all about. This booth is going to do a great job of fostering those conversations.
Look, it's you, and it's your valve covers.
Check it out.
It's a new product and stuff like this comes in the shop and my wife will look at it. What is that thing?
I was just talking to somebody about my first street car was a 68 Chevelle, and the first cool thing I put on it was an Edelbrock manifold.
When we talk about legacy, we talk about SEMA, we talk about this industry, Edelbrock is not just a block in the foundation. Edelbrock kind of is the foundation of everything that we're doing here this week.
I think we need to start this thing. What do you think? You okay with that?
Well, I want to see what it does.
Tons of new products every year. You never know what they're going to come up with next.
Okay, all right. That made my whole week here at SEMA. It's been stressful all week, but here in a big block with some turbos and a cam in there, that just makes you smile.
Whether it's the race car, whether it's a motor for the next build for the future project, Edelbrock Comp Cams, this is where you should be.
right here.